Welcome back to Adaptivities. It's our Live and Learn vlogs, bringing you easy and quick solutions to everyday problems every second and fourth Tuesday of the month, like getting unstuck, completing small tasks, and actually showering in the shower, and so much more. Today's episode is about tying your laces, made easy. Is this you every morning tying your kids' laces because you have to rush out to go? Well, most of us do, and we are so over it. But we have a solution for you. And with our 5 steps, you will never have to tie laces again. Step 1. You'll want to buy these shoelaces on Amazon. The link to purchase is below. And have a pair of scissors handy. Step 2. You want to lace up both shoes all the way to the top. Step 3. You want to put the silver pieces on each end of the shoelace, making sure the screw side is facing up, like so. And now step 4, shorten the string close to the shoe and tie a knot really tight. And lastly, step 5. Well, 5.5. Cut the string and screw both ends together. Like so. And voila, ta-da! You're done. Now, all your loved one has to do is slip them on and off, and you're good to go, like so. Boom. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please share with friends and family. And don't forget to follow Adaptivities 2 on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. See you later. Bye.